Article 360 Flexible Metallic Tubing, or FMT, is defined as a corrugated metallic tube that is liquid-tight and flexible. Its characteristics include being liquid-tight, flexible, made of aluminum or stainless steel, and underwriters' laboratories listed for use in wet locations. Article 348 Flexible Metal Conduit, or FMC, is defined as a tube made of interlocking metal strips or wires that is flexible. Its characteristics include being flexible, made of galvanized steel or aluminum, and not underwriters' laboratories listed for use in wet locations. The key difference between FMT and FMC is that FMT is liquid-tight while FMC is not. FMT is designed to protect conductors from liquids and moisture, making it suitable for use in wet locations. FMC, on the other hand, is intended for use in dry locations. A common name for FMC is flex. There is no common name for FMT.